We're going on a bear hunt. We're going on a bear hunt. We're not scared. We're not scared. What are we gonna find? Wait, what the hell is this? Wait, is that the wood? Wait, I see a cave. What is this?
What's up?
Are you my cousin? Yes. Cousin! Oh, I miss you.
Hey, look behind you.
Oh
my God! Dancing! Oh my God! What is going on? Why am I falling? What? No!
Oh no, it's a dead end. No! Ah! Oh, Name, thank you for saving me. I really appreciate it. Now let's go home.